Welcome back to Reggie Beatz Media, and I'm your Beat Store plug. So if you wanna sell beats, music, or sound packs online, then you're watching the right video. My last video on how to sell beats on Shopify got some traction. So today I'm back with an exciting update to the Beatifyy Lite starter kit. This is the ultimate tool that you need to take your online store to the next level. So this video will focus on the major updates of the Beatifyy starter kit. If you want to set up this template, I've made a video on that before. This one is an updated version with updated features. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video because there's a bonus at the end. Let's get it. Alright, so now we are on the Beatifyy Lite starter kit page. The link for this will be in the description below. And now we'll just check out the updates that have been performed. So as you scroll down, here are the updates: customizable audio player color controls, which means that you can change the color of these audios here. Updated look of the player. As you can see, the look is a bit more modern compared to the previous one. Enhanced stability, streamlined user experience, and some bug fixes that have been fixed. So let's get down to the store. So I'm gonna click on see demo store. Okay, so this is how the default template looks. You can see we have the header here with the logo, the menu, and a search and a shopping icon. Here we have our hero page, and here we have our featured instrumentals or featured beats. Bear in mind that everything here is fully customizable to your liking. And the most important part is the audio player. As you can see, I click play. So that's how the audio player works. It's a simple light audio player suitable for you if you wanna sell music, beats, sound kits, or anything that just needs a simple audio. Okay, then here's your title and your price. You can fully customize the sizes. When you click on choose options, it's just a modal of your product page, and you're gonna click on view details so you can see the full product page. There we go. Here's our product page, and here's our audio player. And you can still select, so you can change the background color to make it light if you want to. Then you click on add to cart, the beat as to cart. It's pretty simple. So this is the simplest way of selling beats, which is why we call it the Beatifyy Lite starter kit, which means that you can build on top of this. You can update your cart, remove or add more, and then you can easily check out with the Shopify Save Checkout. Let's go back to the menu and click on sound kits. This way you can have your sound kits, and as you can see, these ones don't have any audio on them because the audio was not uploaded yet. So now let me show you how to customize this. Okay, so now I need to customize this, which means I must go to my Shopify admin. I have it here on my dashboard, Shopify admin. Then it's gonna welcome me to the dashboard. Then I'm gonna go to online store, and here's the theme, which is the Beatifyy Lite, and I want to customize it. Alright, so if you want to know how to customize the header and the simple things, I have a video in the description below. You can check it out, which is the video that I've made before this one. This one I'll just focus on customizing the player section. So as you can see on the side is your navigation of your site. Here's the header, and then here's the image banner, which is this, and here's the featured collection, which is this. If you click on featured collection, you'll see here on the side you have all the settings for it. The title, which is featured titles, you can change to featured beats if you want. Okay, so after the heading, you can change the heading size. You can make it medium, large, or small. You can add a description under the heading right there, which you're not gonna add right now. And we'll scroll down. So here where it says collection, this is the collection of beats or music or sound kits that you want to display on this featured section. So as you can see, I'm displaying beats. You can click on change collection, and you can select any, or you can create a whole new collection. It's very easy to create a collection. I have a video on how that is done. You can also check it up in the pop-up up there. Just check how that works and come back to the video. So we leave it selected as beats because we want to display beats. So here is the maximum number of products to show. We are currently showing 5. If you want to show more than 5, you can. Here's the number of columns. You can see here we have 5 columns. If I make it 4 columns, it can easily become 4 columns as well, but we'll keep it as 5 columns. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down. This is to change the width of the product. As you can see now, it becomes more, it fills the space more. I'll leave that unselected. And here we have the view all, which is this. It just shows if you want to enable it so that people can see more of your beats, in case maybe you have 10 beats in your collection but you only chose to show 5. Then we're gonna keep that on. And carousel on desktop, so if you have more than, let's say, 5 beats and you click on enable carousel, it's gonna have something where you can slide to the side. Let me just add 9 beats so you can see. There we go. You can slide to the side. That's the carousel. Take it back to 4. And we're gonna disable it. This is the color scheme. If you want to change this color to make it white, you can change the color scheme. There it goes. You can change it, make it any color you want. We'll keep it on this color scheme. And you can also change the colors inside this color scheme. So I'm gonna scroll down. This is the image. We'll leave the information about the image the way it is. And here we have this button to enable quick to add, which is this. If you click on enable, it's gonna show that. Now it disappears when I'll keep it there. So on mobile, we wanna show 2 columns. If you click on the mobile icon here, it's gonna show you how it shows on mobile. And here we have 2 columns. And we also enabled swipe so that somebody can swipe to the side. If I remove it, you know, nobody can be able to swipe. So that's it. Now go back to the view. And now we are at the most important section, which is the playlist section. This is the custom section that has been added. As you can see, we have the playlist title color, which is this. If I want it to be white, you can change the color there. There's the color is changed now is white. The playlist, the audio player background color, if you want to make it blue, you can make it blue, and the color is blue. And now let's change the audio player control. Let's make it, let's say, white. And this is if you want to display the player or not. If you click on this, the player will disappear, and you click it, the player will come back. So let's click save and see how this looks like. After we click on save, it will refresh, and this is how your page will look now. And if I go to view, there we go. I have my player now with the colors that I have changed to. Okay, so you're gonna go click on product information. You go to your right, scroll down. We also have the styling fields, which means you can also style this audio player here. So this is how this template currently works. And here on the Beatifyy page, you can click on help. This will have all the documentation of all the other things that I might have missed in this video. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. If you have any requests, you can also put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. But before you leave, if you are looking for a more premium solution, more custom solution, we also have this called the Beatifyy Pro. This is an exclusive custom beat store solution, which means that you can sell beats, sound kits. It has licensing info integrated. It has also a sticky player here at the bottom, so you can be able to play your beats and give your clients a nice user experience. If you're looking for something like this is more of a custom service, you're gonna have to hit me up on Fiverr, and we can chop it up so I can make this one for you, so I can sell your beats in style. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.